It has been a slow journey of degeneration. I was having spinal injections because they said it was my back, and I was dealing with that. And then when COVID hit and I couldn't get any injections, it wasn't until 2 or 3 months before I came here and actually went to see a hip surgeon rather than a back surgeon that he said, it's your hip and you definitely need a hip replacement. And when I asked him how long would that be, definitely 12 months if not 2 years. And even then they couldn't guarantee. And I knew if I had to carry on, because I have been an active person all my life. I swim on a regular basis. I swim twice a week. How soon when I get back home will I be able to go swimming?
6 weeks at least?
6 weeks at least, right.
What type of style do you swim? So this is the question.
What I do is, as I say, hill walking. I could walk 25 miles a day, no problem. I had to psych myself up. Do you understand that? I had to psych myself up to come on this journey because it's there's so many people say, don't go abroad. Don't go to a foreign country. England is better, blah de blah de blah. But I knew that I was not going to get seen to in England within any sensible time.
Our goals are to alleviate from the pain,
yes,
to make you pain-free and to restore your joint of motion so you will be happy with your life again.
That is exactly what I want. I want my life back.
So this is...
I want quality of life. I don't want to live to be an old lady and walk like a flid.
No, we will try to make it.
How do you feel? First trip with the Frenches.
I've made the first steps on the road to recovery.
Hello.
Hello.
How's the pain? First of all, patients like you, in your case, you had more quad pain. So sometimes when you move fast enough or longer enough, it can get, well, tired or painful.
Thank you, once again.
So every day is a better day.
Yes, every day is a better day.
So